guest.
Can I get a order of jalapeno cheddar bites? So I only can use this one. Stupid thing. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this little device goes down in there, and then it activates, you'll hear like a shh, and then it's ready to use. Alright, Ryan, do you want to tell the fine people of the internet what you're doing?
Trying to find my valve stem so I can air my tire up and hopefully not melt it or destroy my tire.
Right. This one is called Swirly Pop. Let's give it a go. Ooh. Well, we didn't win anything. Did you win anything, Jake?
Nah, I didn't win nothing.
We didn't win nothing.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you won. Nice, fair and square.
How about this? I'm so nice, I'll split it with you.
Wow. Oh, wow.
This is how big my little tiny heart is. Matt,
Crispy.
wait, hold on, which one's bigger?
It's super frozen.
Thank you so much.
I gave him the bigger one.
Oh, of course.
What you cooking?
Making wieners.
What is your favorite thing to cook when you're camping?
Anything that I can't burn.
Budweiser presents Real Men of Genius.
Let's go. Well, we don't have a campfire. We're done, we're done. Oh my God.
So now we need to figure out where's the closest store so we can get what we need.
Refer to me as Mac Daddy, so that wouldn't be appropriate today.
Exactly, yeah.
It takes some noise to make it work. It takes a lot of noise.
Hey. Wow! It's getting rained on by dirt.
Yeah, it's great. It's awesome. Off-road your truck, they say, and then go mod it.
Yay!
You're a motocross racer now?
That was kind of great. I didn't know I would wake up today and be like, hey, you're gonna learn how to ride a mountain bike. Give her a go. Okay. But otherwise, we might be out of luck.
These Starbucks, I ain't getting one of those around here. I guarantee you that.
This is what factory skid plates do. Nothing. Holy God. Why is there so much dirt in there already? Ew! Zip, am I right, kids?
Right.
Alright, so we just got word that Jake on the way home got pulled over and got a warning because his license plate was covered up with muck and mud. But thankfully he got a warning and not a ticket, so. That was sick, dude. That was such a good time.
Cool,
We just did a drive-by with freaking Tacoma beast. Like,
Dude, the myth, the legend.
literally just, it happened to be that we filmed some other videos and we're like, okay, let's go for a supply run now. And as we're going out, we're like, oh, that looks like Tacoma beast.
It's Tacoma beast.
And he's with his support vehicle, and then that was wild. He flashed his like chaser light at us. That was sick. Oh man.
Oh, the supercharger's always been
Super
so
sweet. Oh, it's a little rough. Toyota doesn't know how to design. Hi, Santa! Hi, Santa! Oh, stupid kids over there. Buddy, honestly, I don't know how you would do this without a friend. Like, good luck. All right, so if you have a 2016 or newer Tacoma, I just went deaf. The truck is prepared for war now. Currently in McDonald's, got a Sprite. Did you turn it off? No, is it on?
Barcelona Lane and then coming from that side?
Bye, honey. Okay, welcome to... Where are we? What's this place called? BHM?
Somewhere in the middle of New York.
Where's that?
Yes, hi. Make me...
Mmm, yummy.
What's up?
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?